Hello, my beloved viewers. Hope you all are safe and sound. Today, we are going to explore the issue of index color, a problem you might have encountered. It's quite common and can be a bit confusing, but don't worry, we will break it down and understand it better. Let's jump it. Index color is a way of storing image data where each pixel represents a specific color in a predefined palette instead of directly storing RGB values. This palette usually contains up to 256 colors, making it a lightweight option for simple graphics. The main advantage of that reduced file size make the ideal for logo, icons and web images. However, it limits the number of colors, so it's not suitable for detailed images like photographs. In tools like Photoshop, you can't convert image index color by selecting palette and adjust setting like dithering balance quality size. Freely, you need to convert the image to RGB mode, which allows all features but may slightly increase the file size or change image appearance. So now I open this index color picture. This is in index mode. So you can see I can't edit and I can't move it and I'm just going to the layer and I can't do anything on the layer. So this is the index color image which doesn't give you the access. You don't do anything, and you especially commonly some of the issues it doesn't provide me access and I can't do anything. Now I'm just going to use the eraser tool. Just I want to erase it, and now I'm taking the eraser. Now you can see the eraser tool is not working. It doesn't allowing me to work, and just see the message is come. Could not use the magic eraser because it does not work with indexed color image, convert image to RGB color mode to edit. So it needs you have to convert an RGB color. Now you can check there are the options and the index color is checked, and we just checked the RGB color. So we choose the RGB color to convert the index color image to RGB color. It allows us to work with it and move the background by just using the magic eraser tool. So it is clear right now. The index color, which restrict editing option, and the RGB color mode, which allow all features but may slightly increase the file size. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you understand the index color problem and how to deal with it. If you found it useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Your support means a lot. Take care of you and see you in the next video.